Okay children, let's do the next exercise. In this exercise, we are going to learn two new letter sounds. Okay, so far we have learned the sound of OU, OI, ING, isn't it? We have seen it two letter sound word. Okay, now we are going to see the next two letter sound word OY. OY, OI. Oi. If you put OI, then it will become oi, little bit E sound. Oi. It's a oi, 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 shorter oi. Okay. Okay. Here the two-letter word was given, and that's here the lot of word was given. We are going to match it with, and we are going to write it on its corresponding boxes. Okay. Let's try it out. B-O-Y. Boy. Oi. B O Y, boy. Next T. T O Y, toy. Next J. J O Y, joy. Next T. T Troy. Troy. Next ploy. P L-O-Y, ploy. Next soy. Soy. S-O-Y, soy. Next Roy. R-O-Y, Roy. Next Coy. C-O-Y. We have just written the corresponding letter, the first letter, then we add the O-I. Okay, in this exercise, we just learn the sound of the O-I. What is the sound of the O-I? Oi, boy, toy, joy, troy, ploy, soy, roy, and coy. Okay, these are the sound. Okay, the OI sounds oi. What's the sound of the OI? Yes, oi. What is the sound of the OY? Oi. Okay, listen children, if you are stayed in this time, you want to clear about one thing also. What is the sound of OI and what is the sound of OY? You want to make some difference between the two letter words OI and OY. So the sound of the first two letter word OI, it sounds like oi, coil, soil. You having that E longer, little bit longer, oi. Okay, when you are pronouncing OI, then it's the same sound, but the E will get shorter. Oi, oi, boy, coy, troy, soy, joy. Okay, but here coil, soil, coin. You're getting a E longer sound, here E shorter sound. These are the difference between the two letter word sounds OI and OY. I hope you will understand this betterly. Let's do the next exercise which is relating to the same sound. Okay children, let's do the next exercise which having a different sound. Now you are going to read the different sound of the word like OI, OU and OI. On that order, now we are going to learn the sound of OW. Okay, let's read the heading, then we will continue the exercise. Circle the pictures. Okay, we are going to circle the pictures that make the OW sound. Okay, we want to circle the picture which having a OW sound. Write the word in the blank. Okay, there are two step here. First, we want to find it out the picture here, and if you're having a OW sound, then we want to make a circle. This is the first step. And the second step is write the words in the blank. Okay, the first we will write the word in the blank, then we will circle the picture which have OW sound. Ow, ow. Okay, let's tell me what is the sound of OW? Ow, ow, ow. Okay, first we will write the word in each blank. Okay, children. Okay, let's see the first picture. What is this? You all know what is this. It gives milk, isn't it? Yes, this is a cow. Very good. Cow. Okay. Next here, this is, what is this? You will read it on your books. Isn't it? O for owl. Very good. Owl. Now it's owl, it's owl. Okay, look at this picture. What is this? Yes, it is a shoe. Very good. Let's write the spelling for shoe. Shoe. Shoes. Shoes. Okay. What is this? If you're a girl, you can tell me very easily. What is this? You will wear it at a party time. Yes, it's a gown. Gown. Very good. G O W N. Gown. Gown. Very good. Let's see. What is this? You know it. You all enjoy by seeing this or by doing some activity like this. What it is? It's a clown. Very good. It's a clown. Clown. Very nice. Okay, let's move to this picture. What is this picture? We have done it this picture already. We have seen this picture and we have written the words also. Just remember it and tell me what is this. Yes, this is cube. Very nice. It's a cube. Okay, let's see this picture. What is this? This is crown. Crown. Who will keep the crown? The king, prince, princess will keep the crown on their head. Isn't it, children? Okay, let's see this picture. What the action was going here? Yes, he is swimming. Swim. S-W-I-M. Swim. Swim. Okay, so far we have finished the first step. We have written the words in the particular box. Now we are going to find it out, the word or picture which have the OW sound. Okay. Okay, before that, tell me, what is the sound of OW? Ow. Very good. What is the sound of OW? Ow. 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 Very good. Okay, tell me, what is the sound of OU? Ow. Pow. Ow. Is the ow. Ow. We have to keep our mouth very narrow. Ow. It's we want to pronounce it longer. Ow. 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 Okay. This is cow. 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 This is owl. 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 This is gown. Ow. Gown. This is clown. Clown. Okay. Okay. First we will circle the picture which having a OW sound in it. That is ow sounded. Okay. If you put OU, then will be sound shortened. If you put OW, then you will sound longer. OU. Cow, you will have a OW sound. Owl, you are having OW sound. Gown, you are having OW sound. In a clown, you are having OW sound. Next, crown, you are getting the same OW sound. See here, cow, OW, 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 gown, OW, clown, OW, and crown, OW. Okay, so in this exercise we have studied the sound of OW. What is the sound of OW? Ow. Okay, when we are studying sound of OW, we want to make some differentiate. We want to study with the difference between the OU and the OW sounds. Okay, what is the sound of OU? Ow. Ow. It's a shorter sound. Ow. Ow. Okay, it's not, you should not pronounce it U longerly. If I want to pronounce it A longer, ow, ow. But here the U should be longer, ow, ow, ow. Okay, if you get U sound shorter, then you will use the OU. If you get U sound longer, you can use OW. Okay, children, do you understand what is the sound of the OW, and you understand what is the difference between OU sound and OW sound? Okay, children, let's move to the next exercise.